Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you want to add cool Snapchat filters to a photo from your camera roll, in this video I will show you how to import any photo and apply filters using Snapchat step by step. Open the Snapchat app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the memories icon. It looks like two cards. Then switch to camera roll tab. So from here, choose the photo you want to edit. Let me go with this one. Once open, tap the three dots at the top right and select Edit Snap. Now swipe left or right on the photo to browse through Snapchat filters. You can also tap the stickers, text, or drawing tools to customize it further. Once done, tap Export to download it to your gallery or send it to your friends or story. Snapchat filters work best on vertical photos and may not support full AR lenses from the camera, just standard color and overlay filters. And that's how you add filters to your camera roll photos using Snapchat. Easy, fast, and perfect for your stories. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.